can answer the questions.
Hola amigos, I'm here to tell you about the different types of volcanoes. There's composite volcanoes, which are stratovolcanoes, which are the big ones.
Do you get it?
Like, it erupts like
So let's just try
after
it.
being losing a match of siege. There are shield volcanoes,
Okay.
and there is cinder volcanoes.
And then you just got
The ones that you really have to worry about are the stratovolcanoes. Some volcanoes just sit there. You don't even have to worry about them. But unlike Santa Maria, this one doesn't sit there. Tell them about it, Jackson. Who are you talking to like that, twin?
The Santa Maria volcano is a stratovolcano located in Guatemala. It is a part of the Sierra Madre mountain range. It is approximately 30,000 years old. The surrounding land has been formed for centuries, but it has also been used by crops. Do it now.
Yo, twin, when was the last eruption?
The volcano actually erupts daily with small lava flows and gas and steam emissions. It has a history of large eruptions, the biggest one being in 1902 when 6,000 people died, and the most recent being in 2013.
Hey, twin, what eruption are we talking about today?
We're going to be talking about the eruption that happened in 2013. Alright, this is our introduction to the Santa Maria volcano.
We are in Guatemala. Welcome to the base of Santa Maria. Look at the volcano. I wonder how tall it is.
Well, it's 12,287 freedom units,
What is that in meters?
3,745.
Wow, that's tall.
Yeah, so should we take a hike to the top?
How long would that take?
About 5 miles.
I'm not about. How much time will that take?
About 5 hours and 40 minutes.
I'm not about to walk 5 hours and 40 minutes up to a volcano.
Well, we're at the top.
That's a really long hike.
Wouldn't have taken so long if you didn't stop so many times.
All right, sweet.
Hola.
Hello.
Bienvenido a mi pueblo.
Jackson, do you speak any Spanish?
Just a little bit.
So what did he say?
He said, "Welcome to my village."
What village is that?
Se llama el barrio.
Thank you, but I have to ask, why is it just you?
Todos tuvieron que evacuar después de la última erupción.
He said everyone had to evacuate last week.
When was that?
2 semanas pasadas.
2 weeks ago.
When will your people be back?
Cuando se siente la ceniza.
Whenever the ash settles.
Jackson, ask me what you can tell us about the village. Volcano.
What can you tell us about the volcano?
Yo no, pero lo puedes preguntar al loco que está a la colina.
No, but you can ask the crazy guy at the bottom of the hill.
Not again. 5 hours and 40 minutes of rolling later. Alright, who's there?
2 guys talking about a volcano.
Ah, come in, come in.
Thank you.
So what can I do for you?
Yeah, we all gotta get back in. Corbin, scoot over as far as you can. So we
So what want to trade rolls along? What can I do for y'all?
Well, we were wondering if you could tell us about the volcano.
Of course, the volcano is my specialty.
So what can you tell us about it?
Everything. Well, what do you want to hear first?
Go.
So, well, what do you want to know about
When
it?
did it start erupting?
Let me find it in my notes real quick.
How long is it?
Ah, I found it.
Well, what does it say?
Eruption at Santa Maria was estimated to have begun about 103 Ka. Construction of the volcano, whatever that word means, occurred in 4 phases, from 103 to 72, 72 to 60, 60 to 46, and 35 to 25, building up the large cone that reaches about 1,400 meters.
Cut. Freedom units, please.
About 4,600 feet.
Thank you.
Bro, what is K8?
That means 103,000 years ago.
That was a long time ago. Cut.
3.
2, 1.
How long did it last, brother?
No longer than 20 hours.
Cut. Finally.
I am in my bunker, as you can see, because I don't care about this volcano. I ain't leaving my city. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna leave. This is gonna keep me safe. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, it's gonna keep me safe.
Ultimate fail.
Cut it.
If the Santa Maria volcano were to erupt again, there would be no signs other than earthquakes. So if you value your life, you better run away. So there's only a couple escape routes. If you're close, then there's only a few dirt roads, so you're gonna die. If you're far away, then you have roads and highways, so you're good, mate. In case of a small eruption, only people on the lower grounds need to evacuate. If it's a big old eruption, if you're within a 20-mile radius, you better leave. If not, then you're good, mate. If you're looking for a heads up, you're not gonna get one. Trust. You only have a couple minutes or even a few hours if you're lucky. So if you value your life, you better pack your stuff and run.
Go.
If people wonder that if they're in danger, then there will be, the only way people know that they're in danger is that if it's extreme lava flows and extended smoke. So if you see either of the two, you better leave or you're gonna die.
Yeah.
Hola.
Hello.
Bienvenido a mi pueblo.
Jackson, you speaking Spanish?
A little bit.
So what do you say?
He said, "Welcome to my village."
Bro, what?
Okay.
I'm not locked. I'm on.
Welcome to our introduction of us.
Tell him about it, Jackson.
Step aside, little kid.
Who are you watching like that, twin?
Oh, come on, my computer cut off.
Bro, chill. Alright, y'all ready?
Well, this is our failure. Great job, Juan.
It's not my fault.
Cut.